In the last week's analysis, we talked about a potential breakout in silver and see precisely it break past $20 levels and in fact close the week at about 2080 or $20.8. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect next week, whether it is going to give you a second green candle and continue with the bullish momentum achieving 2200 levels, or we are looking forward to a drop with the inflation data. Which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is definitely missing on the profits, as you will be also missing the daily updates and daily targets which I share very early in the day along with the goals analysis. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into candlestick charts alone, followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy. So do watch till the end. Now let's have a look how silver has behaved throughout these days. These are the daily charts you can find out. This was the channel in which it was trading. After consolidating for a while, it has given a breakout, a stronger breakout yesterday. This is a single Maribojo candle on the daily charts. Possibly indicates that if it breaks past 2110 again, you will see 2100, or rather I will say $21 and $21.2. This is a good resistance zone. Beyond that, stay long. Silver is certainly looking forward to $22, and yes, if it breaks past 22, we may expect further more bullishness, and then in near future, that is for a couple of weeks or maybe couple of months, it may try to attempt and achieve $24. We saw it last week also. So this is one observation on the daily charts. Another observation on the daily chart, that 1800 1820 levels, how stronger once, twice, thrice, fourth, this fourth time it tried to breach this zone. Failing to do so, it has always attempted and achieved higher highs. Now when you say higher highs, now it probably looks forward to $22 levels, which is also a very good resistance zone. So $22 probably could be the next target before it tries to achieve $24. So this is one part. It is looking bullish, and probably with couple of candles, with the help of couple of green candles, it may try to achieve $22, and beyond that definitely we can see further stronger bullish momentum to continue. This is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. Now see why $18 were the stronger support. You can see the rally precisely started from here in silver, and yes, these were the levels which are yet unattempted and uncovered, and that is why we can see silver has taken a perfect base at $18, and these were the levels we had predicted long time back when silver was $24, $25, and we expected it to drop till towards $18, because as per price action these zone was a must to cover, and hence it has seen a good drop. Now see, let's come back to the near term charts. Higher lows consistently, and this time it has given a breakout here. This is the first green candle. Now see this, if you connect the dots here, yes, there are higher lows, yes, there could be higher highs. So how far this could rise? Yes, you cannot deny 2100 or $21, which is a major resistance, or sorry, 2100 and 2200, this is a major resistance. Yes, once it trades past $21, you can remain long in silver. $22, $22.50 are going to be the next target, and if it trades beyond $22.50, directly it will land till towards $24 levels in few weeks from now. It can happen in couple of days, but I will expect it to take some time and probably stabilize here at 2200 2250 zone, and then take a flight till towards 2400 levels. Hence you can take this trade. Then the maximum resistance on the weekly charts you can find out. This is the zone 2200 to 2600. Yes, it is stabilized here. It was trading in between this zone 1800 to 2200. Now this is the zone where the maximum resistance lies. It may potentially try to break past the zone and again enter into this zone, trade sideways in between these levels somewhere here, and then again coming back down. So this is how silver is trading in the squares. First zone at 1800 2200, and next zone at 2200 2600. If it enters into 2200 2600 zone, yes, you can expect that it may continue to trade between first target 2400, next target 2600 in next few weeks. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, higher lows. On the monthly charts, previous two candles, if you see, we tried to analyze this last week also, higher highs. Now see, if you connect the dots here, where is this candle closes? 2250 levels. Yes, it can probably achieve these levels 2250, 2300, and then may trade within this range between $19 to 22.5, $23 for the rest of the month. So the faster it tries to achieve this zone at 22.5 or 23, the slower it will be for the rest of the month. Hence you have to remain cautious. Yes, you can remain long on silver. Once it trades about $21, expect 22, 22.5, and in fact 23 in this month itself, and next month probably we may see a little more bullishness, which will pick it till towards, as we saw, 2200, 2600 zone. So the next high automatically becomes 2400 and then 2600 levels in the coming days. So this is how we should look at it. Also look at the why 1800 is important. This is why 1800 or $18 is important. It consolidated and then got a pushback. It got the support here and failed to breach below. Possibly it may try to achieve this zone once and before it tries to come down again. Now remember, till the time silver trades below the zone at 2400, 2500, you can certainly expect the bearishness to continue. So this is with the help of charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. Very important on the daily charts. There is a 20 and 50 period crossover. There is a 50 and 100 period crossover. The 50 period is moving ahead and trading above, and the 20 period is also trying to soon pass by. Once it crosses over, confirm that this is going to be bullish and it is going to fly high for $22 and then in fact $24. This is one part. Next part, the support zone here at 19 or 18.8 and 19.3 is very strong. Only if it trades below this zone at 18.8, you can confirm that it is going to break past. So the 18.8 very strong support, $19, $19.3 very strong support till here. Only below which you can confirm that it will break strongly on the downside below 1800 levels. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD again diverging and again is showing the strength for bullishness. RSI looking upwards. On the weekly charts, likewise you will find couple of green candles, retracement green candle, and see this time it is consistently given you this highs. Probably the next candle will decide. See, this is the first green candle after creating a base, and now probably a second green candle might take it till towards 22, 22.5, 23 also possible. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD divergent and bullish, and it is crossed over at the bottom. Probably it may continue a little long in this bullish zone. RSI looking upwards on the weekly charts. Likewise on the monthly charts also, it is trading above the 50 and 100 period moving average, indicating bullishness. The MACD is, the directional movement is moderately bearish. I will wait for it to cross over for a bullish momentum, but at the same time the stochastic is definitely looking upwards, indicating bullishness. The MACD, which has achieved the bottom, is also trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. I will wait for it to cross over. It is not yet confirmed the bearish signal there. And the RSI is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness there. So we have seen charts, we have seen indicators. The indicators and charts both are trying to show you a bullish indication. But what to expect? We have to eliminate bias. We have to trade just as per the levels, and hence now look at the levels and the strategy for you to make profit next week. See, remember, you have to stick to the levels. You have to abide to the levels. Every milestone which I share is a resistance level. Hence you have to close some of your trades or book some of the profits, continue with the rest, or completely close the position and retake the new fresh position. That is the way you can increase your wealth, increase your positions, and take your trades with the stop loss. If it goes to sell side, sell. If it goes to buy side, buy. Very simple. Eliminate the bias that I think it is going to hit 2200. Nobody bothers that what I think or what you think. Remember this fact. These are markets. Markets are always supreme. Trade as per the levels. Now where to buy? Very simple. Buy at 2110 levels. Beyond 2110 you can remain long for 2120 nearest, and then 2150 levels the next targets. Beyond that certainly more bullishness can be seen. We may see 2165, 2180, and then 2200 the next strongest resistance. Be careful of 2200 levels. This is going to be the strongest resistance zone on the sell side. But before I give you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, and identifying the suitable strategy for you to make profit in a given condition. You can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is already booked. 17th batch will be starting soon. You can book your seats now itself so that later on you should not regret. And this is going to be the last batch for this year. Hence, join this batch and definitely you can begin the next journey on with new year. At the same time, look at the phenomenal performance we have delivered in our signals group. You can also be part of my signals group and definitely you can profit. See the performance there in the communities tab on YouTube, and yes, also on my Telegram channel. I will update the latest update for last week, the profit for last week in today itself. Watch the space in the communities tab. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. If you scroll the video and read a little bit lower in the video description, you will find the contact details where you can reach out to me. Now let's have a look where to sell. Now probably it has seen a good rise, so yes, there could be a possibility that it may continue with the drop. 2060 levels is the only level below which I will recommend you to sell. But remember 2040 the next support, and till 2000 it has got very strong support. You have to be careful of this. First at 2040, next at 2000. If it, and only if it breaches below 2000 levels, then you can expect that little bearishness to be seen. Then I will expect 1980 1950 levels, and then my favorite 1940 will come to the rescue of it. Below 1940 you can expect a stronger bearish momentum. 1900 to be seen, and below that sky is the limit. May take it till towards 1880 first target, and below 1880 it is going to remain extremely bearish. Sky is the limit on the downside, hence you have to remain cautious on the downside. So yes, till the time it trades above 1940-50, you can expect we are looking forward to 2200, 2400, 2500 and 2600 levels on silver in next few weeks, and take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, subscribe the channel, and do be ready with the latest updates on silver and trade as per the levels. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day and trading week ahead. Thank you.